Good evening. You're watching To The Point. I'm Preeti Chaudhary. Vendetta politics is not new when it comes to the state of West Bengal. The state run by Mamata Banerjee, the third time now, has always accused the centre of playing vendetta politics. But the fact is, viewers, ever since the poll results have come in, the state is now being accused itself of indulging in vendetta politics. Why so? Take a look.
একটা খালি ডায়লগ বলবো আর সেটাই আমি আমার নাম মিঠুন চক্রবর্তী আমি যা বলি তা করে দেখাই আর সেই ডায়লগটা হলো আমি জল ঢোড়াও নই বেলে বোড়াও নই আমি একটা কোবরা গোখরো আমি
This was the dialogue with which Mithun Chakraborty made his debut as part of BJP's Mission Bengal. The date was 7th March. Mithun, in true Bollywood style, registered as BJP's star campaigner.
আমি জানি আপনারা আমার ওই ডায়লগটা শোনার জন্য ওয়েট করছেন হ্যাঁ জানি মারবো এখানে লাশ পড়বে শ্মশানে
As the electoral wheel came full circle and the streets of Bengal resounded with Khela Hobe, it is these two dialogues that have come to haunt the 71-year-old actor. Mithun was questioned virtually by the Kolkata police in connection with a case filed against him over hate speech. A first information report, an FIR, filed by a TMC cadre alleging that the speech played a role in inciting post-poll violence in Bengal after the May 2nd verdict. Mithun Chakraborty had gone to the Calcutta High Court to get the FIR cancelled. The court had then directed an investigation officer to question the actor virtually. The actor has pleaded that he had only recited film dialogues in his speech, and these were not meant to be literal. What is interesting is that Mithun's lawyer has said that the dialogue on which a TMC cadre has lodged an FIR was used by Mithun himself while campaigning for the TMC years earlier.
मिठुन ने नहीं बोला कि मैं कलाकार हूं और मैं तो केवल डायलॉग्स की डिमांड होती है जब मैं कहीं जाता हूं और ये मैं 2006 से कर रहा हूं मैं जब ममता जी के यहाँ जब 2014 में भी इलेक्शन था 2016 में भी था तो भी मैंने ऐसे ही डायलॉग्स दिए थे फिल्मों के डायलॉग्स दिए थे और उन्होंने कहा है कि अगर फिर दरकार पड़ेगा तो फिर दोबारा हमें पूछताछ के लिए बुलाएंगे जिसके लिए हम रेडी हैं और जब बोलेंगे तो हम फिर वापस अपीयर करेंगे
Mithun is not the only BJP leader from Bengal who has found himself slapped with an FIR post-election results, prompting the BJP to allege vendetta politics. Post-polls, an FIR against Suvendu Adhikari and his brother was filed for allegedly stealing relief material. A close aide of Suvendu Adhikari has already been arrested for his alleged role in job scam. There have been multiple allegations of post-poll violence against BJP cadre. Allegations of vindictiveness are not new to West Bengal and have cut both ways. Recently, the newly minted third-time Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee sat on a dharna when the CBI arrested 4 politicians, including 2 TMC ministers and an MLA in the Narada Sting case. At the time, TMC had cried vendetta. The political dust might have settled, but what lie unsettled in Bengal are bruised egos lurking to settle scores from both camps. The question will always be asked, is it fair play or political machinery used to settle these scores?
আমি জল ঢোড়াও নই বেলে বোড়াও নই আমি একটা কোবরা গোখরো আমি এক ছবলে ছবি এবার কিন্তু এটাই হবে দাদার প্রতি ভরসা রাখবেন আমার কথায় বিশ্বাস রাখবেন দাদা কখনো মুখ ফিরিয়ে পালিয়ে যায়নি
Bureau Report, India Today. All right, so what is it that is happening in West Bengal? Can it be called vendetta politics because Mamata Banerjee herself has accused the centre of the same? There have been just too many incidents post-poll incidents where BJP leaders are concerned, FIRs being slapped against them, raising this question. Let's take it to our panelists, Priyanka Tibrewal, BJP spokesperson, Monojit Mondal, TMC spokesperson. Monojit, I'd like to begin with you. You know, in 2006, if I'm not wrong, Mithun Chakrabarti used exactly the same dialogue when he was campaigning for Mamata Banerjee. Prompts me to ask, good for the goose, good for the gander. What's the problem this time round?
No, Priti, I think there are some serious, information gap as far as the reporting is concerned. As far as this particular case is concerned, it's under the direction of a local court, the police had to file an FIR. So it was not an FIR filed by the police on its own. So I feel that whatever Mr. Chakraborty said on that particular thing, it is completely disgraceful.
Mr. Mondal, I want to just come in, and I'm afraid I'll let you speak, but the reason I'm coming in is, as per our information, sir, this FIR has been filed by a TMC cadre.
It could be, I really don't know why it was filed by the TMC cadre.
So, sir, if this FIR has been filed by a TMC cadre, then I'm just saying, sir, the same person used the same dialogue in 2006 with Mamata Banerjee. If it was okay then, how has it incited violence now?
What I'm saying is clear, that the direction of the court had to file the FIR. Even if the TMC cadre has filed the complaint to the police, the FIR was not registered. It was under the direction of a particular court, under 156.3, clause 3 of CRPC, the FIR had to be filed. The police had no option but to oblige to the court. Nothing was done to Mr. Mithun Chakraborty. It was just a routine inquiry under the direction of the court. I tell you, there are 23 FIRs against Mr. Arjun Singh, including charges of murder and extortion. Did the police arrest him? There are serious charges of defalcation of funds. Did the police arrest him? Even when Mukul Rai was in BJP, even in case of murder charges, we did not arrest them. It is amply clear. This is the process of law which are going on. Unlike what the BJP does, we have seen what they can do. On the day of filing a charge sheet, two very important ministers, one of them being a 75-year-old super citizen, who was heckled, arrested, and whatnot. We have seen that kind of spectacle. I tell you, I have got complete faith in the police of my state that they will not harass them in such a way. Even in case of Mr. Adhikari, single harassment by the police. If there is an FIR, investigation has to be launched.
Okay.
You have to roll out the
Okay. But Mr. Mondal, as I bring in Priyanka Tibrewal, the question still arises, like you said, that nobody was harassing him. It was a routine, a virtual investigation, questioning by the Bengal police. But it is a little unnerving now to actually suggest that somebody goes, mouths dialogues from a film, and then 2 months after will be facing an FIR, an inquiry would be lodged, will be questioned by the police for hate speech. Do you not reckon it's a bit much?
This was taken cognizance by the court, Preeti. Please understand the law.
On the basis of an FIR filed by a TMC cadre, sir.
On the basis of a complaint in a court, I am saying that 156.3 clause, please read the clause. I'm sure you know this. This was under the direction of a magistrate. The police had to file a case. You were saying that after 2 months. Why after 2 months? Because after that, when police did not register the case, the person went to the court.
So the person in question, it's interesting. Okay, Mr. Mondal, no. Mr. Mondal, the person, whoever the person would have been, whoever the person might be, would have been if he wasn't TMC cadre. But because he's TMC cadre,
I tell you again, the police did not take cognizance of the complaint. It was the court who just taken cognizance of the complaint 2 months later.
All right, sir, I'll come back to you because, I'll come back to you. Now, why are allegations of vendetta against your government is because it's not just Mithun Chakrabarti. You have slapped an FIR against Suvendu Adhikari and his brother for stealing relief material. Close aide of Suvendu Adhikari has been arrested. There have been lots of cadres of the BJP allegations that they have been tortured. Violence has been used. I'll come back to you. I want to bring in Priyanka Tibrewal as well. Priyanka Tibrewal, the fact is, it cuts both ways, doesn't it? Because what happened is with the West Bengal government accusing the centre of using state agencies to settle political score. They say it's political vendetta. Now they say now we are facing the same, many would suggest.
See, whatever they were saying, they had no evidence to prove the same, whereas we have evidences to prove the same. Look at the duplicacy and the dual face and character of the police of West Bengal. They are so fast in registering FIRs against BJP Karyakartas, Netas, and those who are supporting BJP. But they are reluctant, they are hesitant to write FIRs when a 60-year-old is raped. They are hesitant and reluctant to write an FIR when a 17-year-old scheduled caste girl is raped. That time they are saying that no, nothing as such has happened. Although the medical reports prove that there was rape, but they are hesitant in those cases. I will tell you, yesterday only, they have registered FIRs against all the BJP Karyakartas and supporters of many, many districts. Now we come to know that actually these FIRs were not registered yesterday. These were registered 3 months back. But they are active now because in the High Court we are saying that people are not allowed to go back to their houses. So now the police has become active and saying that they are absconding and we will arrest them if we find them. That is the reason they are not allowing people to go back to home, because they have registered cases 3 months back, but they are acting on it now. And on whose behest? On the behest of the state government. That we understand very well, because there are policemen who have told us that they are working on the behest of the MLAs of those constituency. Not just that, look at their vendetta today. There's a place called Bhangar over here. The TMC Karyakarta has said that we will make sure that no BJP supporter gets the 100-day work, which falls under Manrega. So look at this. It is so clear that this is just political vendetta all around which they are playing. And they are harassing these poor people, these poor supporters who do not even have enough to take care of themselves. So is this politics? Is this democracy?
Okay, Mr. Brewal, let me take that question which I asked Mr. Mondal earlier. Mr. Mondal,
yes.
If it was Mithun Chakrabarti in isolation, one would have suggested or that you're questioning him for dialogues, but okay. But it's not just him. You've an FIR case against Suvendu Adhikari and his brother for actually stealing relief material. One of his close aides is in jail. And then, like Mr. Brewal was saying, multiple FIRs against the cadre of the BJP.
I tell you, Priti, the stealing FIR, if there is prima facie evidence, it suggests a cognizable offence. Despite that, neither of the brothers, Mr. Adhikari and his brother, they are not in jail, right? You know, the fact, remember, there has to be some inquiry, and you talk about this, employment scam, but there are certain evidences. There are definite evidences of, the money being taken by certain persons in the government at that point in time under his ministry. That's why there is stuff taken place. In every other cases, I'm giving example. There are murder cases against Mr. Arjun Singh. Mukul Roy murder cases when he was in BJP. The murder case is still going on. He is charge sheeted. You know, the Mamta, these police, I tell you, unlike BJP police, I repeat, they're extremely cautious about this kind of vendetta attitude. The law is taking its own course. None of them harass. Rather, they talk about violence. And for the last 1 month, people are largely indoors because of severe restrictions on the ground of COVID. One like the question of violence. We have challenged them. Please show us the list of people who are outside the state. One very important leader now became the Chief Minister of Assam. He tweeted 1 month back about a particular picture. Thereafter, he could show his face. And you are a Chief Minister. Give us the list. If the people have went from our state to your state, give us the list. We will go and bring them in. If that at all the case, nothing has been done. Just think thousands of people are outside the state. Give us the list. Put only 10 people, list of 10 people to be given. One of our senior ministers, Chandrima Bhattacharya, talked to Tathagata Rai saying that if you are alleging this, please give us the evidence, give us the list.
Okay.
Go and bring them in.
Mr. Mondal.
There is no question of any kind of
Mr.
vendetta.
Mondal, you said two things.
There are many would have been behind.
Sir,
bars,
before I'm going to go to Mr. Brewal, but you said two things. Sir, you say that, Mithun Chakrabarti only been questioned, nothing's been done. Where Suvendu Adhikari is concerned, yes, there's a case against him for stealing relief material, but he's not in jail. If there is a case, if he has stolen something, why shouldn't he be in jail? He should be in jail. Therefore, the question is being asked, is this a threat to BJP leaders?
If we put him in jail, he'll get our head in a moment. His arrest is not mandatory in any, even in a cognizable case. It's a prerogative of the police investigative agency. to
Okay,
arrest the
prerogative of
person.
the police. All right. Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, Priyanka Tibrewal, you wanted to come in? Go ahead.
Yes, how confidently this TMC spokesperson on a national media, they can sit and lie. I really appreciate their confidence, because just now he said that give us the list. The list is already before the High Court. It has been filed. More than 79 police stations with the names, address, mobile numbers of the BJP Karyakartas and supporters who have been ousted from their houses is there in the High Court. But they lie so confidently. They say, give it to us. We will put them back to home. You see, people who are going back home as per the court's order, even then, their goons go to their houses and they beat them mercilessly. And now they are hospitalized. They're in the hospital. So this is the nature, this is the character of TMC.
Mr.
which
Tibrewal, I'll
everyone
come
is
right
seeing and
back.
observing.
Mr. Tibrewal, I know,
Can I
Mr.
reply?
Mondal, I'll come back to you for a response, but I want to ask Mr. Tibrewal one question. Mr. Tibrewal, with what we began with, it cuts both ways, doesn't it? You say they don't have evidence, but again, you know, the same excuse can be used with what Monojit Mondal is saying, that the law is taking its own course. But having said that, the ED coming in, the CBI stepping in, state agencies coming in, where TMC leaders are concerned, not touching the BJP leaders. Suvendu Adhikari right now is one of the prime accused, madam, in one of the biggest scams, but nothing has been done for 1 year.
We have
But
never
having
stopped
said- so
these
why-
agencies.
Go ahead, ma'am.
We have never stopped the agencies from doing their duty. Let me
But
remind
it's
you
interesting
that
that
when
the
Mukul
agencies are
Roy,
only picking one party
what I'm
leadership,
saying.
then not touching the BJP at all.
that is what I am saying, that when Mukul Roy was in BJP, he was called for an investigation by CBI, interrogation not once, but I believe twice.
Madam,
Now,
Mukul Roy is
apart
now
from
a
that,
prover. Mukul Roy is a witness. So there's
That
no
is what
point.
I'm-
Mukul Roy is a witness. So let's not talk about
That is-
Mukul Roy. Let's talk about Suvendu Adhikari, who's the prime,
Okay.
who's the prime accused
So-
in the same case in which Mukul Roy is a witness.
That is what I am saying, that in that matter, as we've already discussed this before, that an approval is required. So that approval was pending, because at that point of time they were member of parliaments, and that approval is pending with the speaker, and not only Suvendu Adhikari.
So, madam, why is
There
the
are other
speaker
ministers
sitting?
are
Why is the
also
speaker?
there.
Why has the
Kakuli
speaker
Ghosh
sitting now
Dastidar.
for over a year on action to be taken
I
against
think
Suvendu
TMC should
Adhikari?
ask-
Does Fox people?
TMC should question because Kakuli Ghosh Dastidar, Shaugato Rai, even their names are there. So if everybody has to go to jail, then the law is same for them as well. So they should question the speaker.
All right, so it
But
benefits both
mercilessly
parties.
killing
Okay.
poor people.
Can I come
and the
in?
genocide
Yes.
which
No,
is
no, no.
happening
Okay,
here.
I think-
Mr.
I think-
Tibrewal, you made your point. But, you know, Mr.
I think-
Mondal, but you're none the richer, no, with what is going on, at least
I'll answer.
perception-wise in West Bengal. Go ahead, sir.
No, the fact remains that she is a lawyer, I am not. She knows very well that one of the persons arrested was nobody in 2014 except being a mayor. Then on what basis that person was given go-ahead by the governor of a state for this kind of arrest? Can you answer the question? The answer is not there, because you people don't believe in this kind of democracy. Mr. Shobhan Chattopadhyay in 2014 was not a minister.
It's not about the
No, no,
CBI
no,
and
so
ED raids.
we
Let's talk
understand the
about
sanctions. I
what's
come
going,
to the
what the
point.
B.
Look at the hypocrisy, I tell you. Within a month or so, Mr. Mukul Roy will be
But
arrested.
sir, hypocrisy cuts both
No, no,
ways,
I-
no. You are
No,
coming
there
and
is a
defending
thing.
exactly
I
the same
will
thing
not-
what
you
Priyanka
are not-
Tibrewal is defending.
No. I'm making the difference. There is a difference in degree. We are not sending the police forces to bring them by their collar at the wee hours
But
of
we are
morning,
intimidating
right?
them.
No way, no intimidation. Who is intimidating whom? This person is moving around everywhere. He's defaming our state from Bengal to
Okay.
Delhi. Mr. Suvendu Adhikari is being hindered for doing what he is doing. I mean, come on. I tell you the problem is they have to defame Bengal and Mamta Dee because BJP now is scared of Mamta Dee. And the
Okay,
reason is
I'm gonna-
very
you know,
simple.
all right.
That's the simple reason that she can be the only
Okay,
bigger
with permission
threat
from
in
both
this
of you,
country
can I
as far as
please
Mr.
bow
Modi
out
is
of this
concerned.
debate? That's all the time that we had for. But the fact is, you know, I would reckon people or the citizens can tell better, because what seemingly right now looks like is that it cuts both ways. If it is vindictive politics, if it is vendetta politics, you've seen it from either side. So appreciate both of you for joining us. Thank you.